Planets in the solar system.
Mercury.
Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system.
Venus.
Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system.
Earth.
Earth is often called a blue planet because it's covered mostly with water.
Mars.
Called red planet because of reddish appearance.
Jupiter.
King of the planets because it's the largest planet in our solar system.
Saturn.
It's the second largest planet in our solar system.
Uranus.
It's the coldest planet in our solar system.
Neptune.
Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet in our solar system.
What do you remember?
Smallest planet in our solar system. Coldest planet in our solar system. Hottest planet in our solar system. Often called the red planet. The largest planet in our solar system. The only planet that supports life. It's known for its magnificent rings. It's the farthest planets from the Sun.